Hey, what's up, marketers? Your tech stack is probably crushing your motivation. Meta, HubSpot, Shopify. The list goes on and on and on. All siloed, all confusing. Here's how to simplify it in 3 tactical moves today. First, get one dashboard to rule them all. It could be Looker Studio. It could be Power BI. It could be funnel.io if you have the budget. But this will unify Meta, Shopify, Google Ads, Amazon Ads, and any other data sources that you need to look at in one snapshot. Next, data hygiene. Use Zapier or Make.com to push ad spend data into the dashboard automatically on a daily basis. Your teams will see the daily actuals and the monthly accruals. CFOs, your finance team, your accountant, your bookkeeper, and you're going to love this. Next, train once and scale forever. Build 5-minute Loom tutorials for each integration that will train your team on how to use it and how to analyze it. It stops repeat questions and it increases the speed of onboarding. And my final suggestion is you need to build dashboards that have all of the important KPIs. But really, you need to make your decisions on a few core metrics and KPIs. MER, marketing efficiency ratio, can really tell you whether the whole system is working or not. Contribution margin on different channels can really tell you how much each channel is actually adding to the overall progress. My point here is you're scattered. Things are siloed in different areas. Unify them all together, record videos as to how to use it, deploy it to your team and delegate, and it will make analyzing what to do next much easier.